The past. A bushwalk, tents, bushfires, rustic campouts, and clues of puzzling happenings. This is what 5 women tramp their way through until one goes missing. Alice goes missing, and I'm not surprised she does, as she's a nasty piece of work. Alice, to me, started acting slightly off when she was caught using her cell phone. You see, the rule was that everyone had to leave their cell phones behind. It didn't work in spots that were tramping to, but her attitude, man, it stunk. The present. The 4 returning women tell Falk a tale of fear, violence, and fractured trust during their days in the remote Australian bushland. And as Falk delves into the disappearance of Alice, he begins to suspect some dangers run far deeper than anyone knew. Jane Harper's writing was very intriguing. The author feeds you little breadcrumbs of info and clues throughout. To me, this was definitely a page-turner, and I thoroughly enjoyed the experience of being thrown into the wilderness and the thrill and excitement that something very sinister was going to happen at some point in time. This is a 5-star review, and I recommend to all who like a cozy mystery and who want to be transported to Australia. Until next time, this is Pauline Reid with Book Reviews, where you hear my point of view. Bye.